Hi guys, I wanted to welcome you to day 2 of our online learning recorded video lectures. Everything I'm going to go over is going to correspond to August 11th, which is a Tuesday. So you've already logged in through NC EdCloud. You're now on Canvas. You see your dashboard. You're going to go to your respective class. So you've hopefully already done this. That's how you found the video. We'll do 8th grade science, but the assignments are the same today. You'll go to your modules, and then you are going to see what we have to do for day 2. So for under day 2, I have a quiz for you guys to do that goes over the rules and the syllabus and the bathroom song that we listened to yesterday. If by chance you weren't able to access Canvas yesterday and you weren't in person, you didn't watch the bathroom trip song, spend the next about 3 minutes watching that YouTube video and seeing what you can learn about how to correctly wash your hands. It's important stuff when we're talking about COVID and keeping everybody safe, so just make sure you check that out. After that, you're going to click on the quiz, and it's going to look like this, not quite like that. It's going to come up and look like this, and you're going to click it, and it's going to ask you if you're really sure you want to start this, and you're going to say yes. And then you're going to start it, and you're going to take it, and then you're going to get a score. You get 2 chances to take this quiz, so you can take it once, and maybe you get an 80, and then the second time you get a 90, it's going to take the highest of the 2 scores, so it's going to take that 90. If by chance you get a 90 one time and an 80 the other time, it's going to keep that 90 from the first time, so it's going to give you the best of the deal. After you take that quiz, you're going to go back to modules, and you're going to see that we have a day 2, something called T-shirt. It's taking you to a discussion board, which says, create a Google drawing of a T-shirt. On the T-shirt, please draw or copy and paste pictures for things that you think represent you. Represent you. Normally we would do this using a piece of paper and some markers, but because we're online, we're getting a little creative, and you're going to utilize Google Drawing to make a T-shirt, or if you know how, you can do it in PowerPoint, as long as it's the outline of a T-shirt with your name on it and 4 pictures or drawings that represent you. For example, Miss B would put a picture of an ear, because I'm a good listener, a cross because I'm a Christian, a tree because she loves the wilderness, and a wave because she surfs. You will then write a discussion board post about the T-shirt. Be sure to link the drawing to the post so that we can see your work. You must select the share to all who have the link option on sharing so we can see the drawing. For example, we could go to my drive. Give me a second to get there. Drawings, and it take me a little bit longer because my drive is really messy. There it was. Okay, so here's my T-shirt example. Okay, you can see I have the outline of a T-shirt that I drew using this function right here, scribble. And I drew it, and then I copy and pasted some pictures in here, just like I said. The key is when you share, you're going to click share. This is going to pop up, but we are going to get the link. You're going to change to anyone with the link instead of restricted, so anyone with the link. And you're going to copy and paste this link and put it into your discussion board. So after you've done that, then you're going to pick 2 of the items under my shirt to share with your peers and write about why they represent you. To get full credit, you must comment meaningfully on one of your classroom's posts. For example, you could comment on my post about surfing by saying, do you have a favorite beach to surf at? When did you start surfing? And I have always wanted to learn to surf. So we're not just saying cool or good, you're actually putting some meaningful content that shows that you read what your classmates have to say. Here's my example. So here's an example of what I expect for the T-shirt design. If you would rather use Google Slides or Google Docs instead of Google Drawing, that is fine. Be sure to share by using a link that everyone can view. We went through how to do that. If you get there and you can't remember, you need to rewatch the video. If I click on this link and it doesn't work, I can't give you credit for the t-shirt drawing part, so please make sure that it works. Here's an example of what I would expect for a write-up. Hi, welcome to Miss Backover's science class. I go by Miss Backover or Miss B, either will work. On my t-shirt, I chose to put a wave because I love to surf. I began surfing about 4 years ago, but I've yet to master the waves. I plan to use my free time this year to really get the hang of it and become a better surfer. I also put a picture of woods on my t-shirt because I love the outdoors. I hope we will be able to spend some time outside this semester discovering the world around us at the very least getting some fresh air. This year is going to be full of fun, engaging learning. Okay, so that is your post. So once you have created your t-shirt and made your discussion board and commented on a classmate's and take your quiz, then you are done for today's expectations. So again, you're going to do the quiz, you're going to do the t-shirt, you're going to write your post, and you're also going to comment on somebody else's. Once all of that is done, you've met all the expectations for the day, and you can check science off of your list of things to do. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you understand what is expected of you tomorrow or today, because you'll be watching this on Tuesday, and I will check back with you Wednesday. Have a great day, guys.